do it. Word up, you know? I rose dolo from state to state. Word up, you know what I mean? Yeah. I just want to link up with those getting it like I get it. That's all. Y'all niggas be safe.
Oh yeah, and if you're not already subscribed, hit the damn button now. Cause with my resume, you already know you're about to learn something, so just get it out the way right now for me. Good looking out. Oh yeah, and don't you get it twisted. Me and that bucket go state to state, grabbing the bags, satisfying customers, and I'm just phenomenal. Shit, what else can I say? Y'all know I've been detailing for a minute. Fuck it. I can say over a decade. I can also say where you at, I've been, and where you going, I left. But without a doubt, once again, appreciate the love and participation given in the last video. Like I said, on all videos, ask questions, email me, or one-on-one me through Patreon. It's a good chance I'm gonna help you similar to these videos and old ones from 5 years ago. The help is here along with some guaranteed entertainment. Can't stop, won't stop, y'all know the rest. This car detail is a Lincoln Navi. It's receiving my superior full detail package. Y'all know my website, you want the price, go look it up. And make sure you classify this as an XL SUV. Bit of a difference in size from your typical 3-row. Don't go playing yourself out there. Make sure you feel good when you're working, but you're getting paid what you're worth. Too many of y'all feeling good working, but the pay ain't matching, so the math ain't mathing. I'm just saying. Too many offering high quality at budget rates. When it should be high quality, high rates. I don't care where you living, but most only have to convince themselves. So let them do what they do, but take my advice. That budget shit ain't where it's at. At this point, a long-term customer of mine knows exactly who to call to get his paint and interior looking right. Just pay close attention. Before I even throw soap on the whip, I'm breaking down the dirt in layers. The whole point is that when I wash, it's pretty much a massage, not trying to scrub and scratch. Of course, some things can be left to the clay bar towel to be grabbed up. Let's not forget those rims. Once again, broken down the layers with the acid, of course, but most importantly, the 184 rim cleaning, along with the proper tools for the lug nuts. I hope by now you always grab the customer's keys for this main reason. Won't catch me doing kung fu with the rims, jabbing, stabbing, woollying. I'll let you do all that. Remember, the ends justifies the means. I'm just trying to get there faster, as you should. Reason all these steps are taken prior to the wash because in my past, like many of us, you don't do the proper pre-wash. So when you do finish, it's a whole bunch of touching up that needs to be done. Bugs been missed, the rims completely not clean, the skirt still got tar, now you're trying to clean up and pick up the pieces that you wouldn't have had to worry about if you did a proper pre-wash. This is just one part of the detail, and it's nothing difficult. Although you may assume I'm polishing, I'm not. Just laying down some cleaner wax, which is my go-to wax when dealing with white cars. Anyways, with my pre-wash process after the hand wash and the wax, the paint gonna pop without any problem. Just imagine if I polished. We talking about mirror finish with a one step, and if you want, you can always take it a step further. But I like my style to get in, get out. Not everybody wants to hang around or wants you to hang around their crib all day. Gotta know your customers. And of course, you see it's getting dark, but don't worry, I came properly prepared. Best believe the van packing a punch, and I got way better equipment than most, as you have seen. Shit, my steamer cost 2 of my vans. Still gonna do a good job. It'll be great. Gonna get it done. I'm gonna take my time, no need to rush. I'm gonna see you the next episode on the interior. Camden, what's good?